What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to bulk rotate your landscape images to portrait for sharing on social media. So you're going to need this app called Picz Flip. You can get it in the App Store. I'll drop a link down below in the description. Just click the link, it'll open up the Mac App Store, and then from there you're going to open up Picz Flip. Once you have Picz Flip open, you're going to locate the photos that you need to convert. So as a graphic designer and as somebody that works with 3D renders quite a bit, I usually have pretty large collections of landscape artwork that I'd like to share on social media. And the thing is social media isn't oriented for landscape artwork. It looks great on the computer, of course, but it doesn't look great on a mobile phone screen. So what this app does, it's going to take all of these landscape photos and it's going to just boop, flip them all right. And of course you can do this manually in preview, but you'd have to go into every single photo to flip them. And it's just a painful process. So what's cool about this app is you actually just can take your large collection of photos. Here I'm going to take 438 photos and drop them into Picz Flip. As you can see, it says 438 images are ready, and all you have to do is click Flip Pics, select where you want the pictures to be saved. I'm just going to create a folder on my desktop called Picz Flip, and it'll start to process the images. Now this is quite a hefty load for this app to handle, but we'll open it up and we'll be able to see just how quickly it is able to process these images. So as you can see, we're already making incredible progress here. And just for an example of what the images now look like, they're now ready to be shared on social media like Instagram, TikTok, or even Facebook, if you still use Facebook. But yeah, this app just makes it super easy, so you don't have to sit there and individually turn each image. And as you can see, it's very quick, took less than a minute. And it just processed almost 500 renders. So now I have 500 new renders to share on social media. It's super, super efficient. And it's a great way to convert your work from more of a desktop orientation to a mobile environment. So yeah, guys, that's Picz Flip. It makes it super easy to transfer or convert your landscape images or renders into portrait. So super simple, super awesome. You can get it on the App Store. Just click the link below and start bulk computing your renders to share on social. I'd love to see what you guys are creating. If you're making 3D renders or graphics or whatever it is, the primary purpose of this tool is actually to be used with images that can be seen from any angle. It wouldn't really necessarily work great for photographs because usually there's perspective within photographs, but for artwork like this that's kind of more abstract, it can go either way. And if you create this type of artwork, it's an incredibly useful tool for quickly converting your images. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop me a like, drop me a subscribe. Once again, have a beautiful day. Thanks for checking it out. All right, later guys.